Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Right now, I am in bed in Edmonton. For those of you who might be new here and wondering what the heck is going on, I am not in a great way right now. I'm really sorry if this is kind of shaky like that. I'm like holding the camera with a different hand. Yeah, I was recently in a car accident in Calgary on my way back from Banff with Derek. Derek was driving and we were at a standstill. We were completely stopped on the freeway. And yeah, we got rear-ended pretty swiftly, with force, and did not feel good. I was in the middle of leaning forward to pick something up off the ground when we got hit, so I was moving forward and then I got like pulled backwards, and among other things, injuries and things like that. Pretty bad, or not feeling great, is like my head does not feel great, and then I have really bad like jaw tension and neck shoulder situation, and then my upper and my lower back, and my left arm, but only when I extend it that way, like lift it up like this versus forward. So yeah, doesn't feel great. But the good news is that number one, I already have a series filmed for December for YouTube. That's already like filmed, pretty much finished filming, and like partially edited. So I don't have to worry too much about content for the next little while, because it is going to be like, it is kind of hard for me to move around, and I'm like pretty bummed I can't go to the gym anymore and like do a lot of my like weights classes or boxing or any of the classes I really enjoy. So there's that. And then the second piece of good news, I don't know how that first piece of good news turned into bad news. Tangents. Second piece of good news is that I have a appointment today actually for my first physio chiropractor, and I guess active release therapy is what it's called. So hopefully I'm going to be able to get back to like full function. I know that with my foot injuries that I got a few years back surfing in Bali, that it just never recovered to 100%. And so trying to get on this as quickly as possible to make sure that I do, recover. So that's the situation as it stands right now. I am going to make myself a morning tea, get ready for the day, and then I'm going to go to the chiropractor and we're gonna see what they say. This is like my first, I went to like a walk-in clinic for my initial assessment. So this is gonna be, sorry, just a second. This is going to be my first assessment with the physio chiropractor sort of situation. So I'm excited for that, and hopefully they can give me some stuff that I can do at home to help this along. So yeah, if you are at all interested in my recovery and just hanging out with me, that's what we're gonna do today. And then pretty quickly though, we'll be back into travel content. So like, don't worry about it. Again, I have stuff planned for December, so you guys are good. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Oh, and let's just start this day.
hours later.
Okay, you guys, so I just got out of my first appointment. Wow. I am in for it, I will tell you. So when I went into the medical center, they basically told me that I was going to need physio, maybe like chiropractor, and then massage as well, and I got a prescription for that. And then I was recommended to this wellness center here in Edmonton that like specializes in whiplash and things like that, so I went in to see them today. That was my appointment, and yeah, it's definitely worse than I thought. The healing process is gonna be, I was like super stiff. The healing process is gonna be longer than I thought. I originally thought I was gonna need like 10 treatments or something, and now she's saying like closer to 21 chiropractic treatments and then massage after that. And she didn't even really do that much today. She did 3 adjustments, one for my neck, one for my shoulders, and one for my hip maybe, or my lower back. And yeah, she's like, yeah, she went easy on me, and even still warned me that I'm gonna be in some real pain. It's probably gonna get way worse over the next 2 weeks, which was also not great to hear. But like, I mean, I appreciate everyone's honesty, so that's where I'm at. And I really want a coffee before I go home. While I'm out. Let's do it. Ooh, you guys, it has been 3 hours since my appointment, and holy, am I ever feeling it. I feel like it's gonna be that good pain where it's like, you know that it's a healing pain, sort of. And I was like given full warning that this pain was gonna be here, and that's probably gonna be worse tomorrow and as the days go by. But like I felt it. Hold on, I need to switch hands. Sorry. Basically, like as soon as I got in the car and right after I talked to you guys last, I started feeling it. From like where she did the adjustments and everything. And then now it's just like as the day has gone by, oh man, it's not as tense, I wouldn't say, but it's like a burning and like, oh man. I don't know if I was prepared for this. I'm excited to like do it, and I'm glad that I'm getting on it, like getting ahead of it basically before it really messed me up. But oh man, it's just like, I've been going through it. Like this accident came at a time where like just like personal things too were sort of like going awry, like drama in my friend circle and just like problems with people. And like I'm just like not the person who engages in that kind of stuff. And so I don't know, it's just, I think it's like got me extra stressed being a part of something, or like being stuck sort of in the middle of a situation that I wouldn't normally be involved in. You have no idea what I'm talking about. I can't give you any context. I'm just like, I'm in a situation that I didn't ask to be in, I didn't want to be in, and now I just like am being forced to deal with it at the worst possible time. And yeah, and then this happened. It was like, oh, perfect. So awesome. End rant. Anyways, I figure what I'll do is I'm gonna catch up with you guys like tomorrow or in a couple of days once some time has passed, and before my next appointment with my chiropractor, because she wants to, I don't know if I mentioned, but she wants to see me 3 days a week. So I'll catch back up with you just to like give you an update on how everything's feeling, and like what the plan is and how insurance and everything goes, just so that if you find like, probably if you are watching this video and you are not like a regular follower of mine, you've found yourself here because you're in a similar situation. So I'll just like tell you how I'm coping, how I'm feeling, and if there's like anything that I would recommend as far as like to help with the pain, or to help with the, yeah, to help with the pain management. Wow. Yeah. It's like, that's some concussed speaking right there. Yeah, so anyways, I'll just catch back up with you guys later. See you later.
2,000 years later.
Okay, hi guys. It's been a few days, 4 days actually, since I talked to you guys last. I just got out of my second chiropractic appointment. Sorry, this like wheel is in the way. That's not what I want. Is that any better? No, probably not. No, what can you do about it? Anyways, I just got out of my second chiropractic appointment, or third? No, second. Wow, Terry. So this past weekend, you haven't seen it yet. You'll see it in the next video. I actually went to Jasper National Park and did a little bit of exploring. Pushed myself quite a bit. Now, I will say, like my doctor had said, not to go too easy, like to be cautious and aware of my muscles and everything like that, but like not to go too easy on myself, just because I'm probably like the chance of me injuring myself further are very slim, and that if I'm like not moving my muscles and I'm just like keeping everything stiff, that's gonna make things worse versus better. So I did that, but I will say that like it hurt the day after Jasper. I was like, I couldn't go anywhere and do anything. So today my appointment came just at the right time, and she did confirm that she had gone easy on me last time. She went easy on me this time again because I reported that I was still in quite a bit of pain, and she was like, okay, well, we're gonna have to ease you into this. So she did some adjustments again, and it's, yeah, like my jaw was starting to be a little bit better now that I've gone in and had the adjustments, neck, shoulder, and my jaw again. Yeah, like I'm already feeling it. But like, it's a good pain. It's a good healing pain. So what I've been doing basically is alternating heat and ice when I'm starting to feel things getting like really intense, 20 minutes each, and that has helped a lot. I have a steam shower at my house, so I have been steaming, which also has really helped my muscles. I'll steam, and then when I get out of the shower, I'll put on like a muscle, like a gel kind of thing, and that's been really good. What else have I been doing? I have been taking a leave. Not a lot of a leave, but just like when things start, when there's more pain than there is tension, I will take some leave, and that has helped as well. And yeah, the occasional glass of wine has not helped. Let's just say that. So those are my those are my tips. Don't drink if you're underage, and other disclaimers and things. I'm not a doctor, whatever, all that stuff. You guys, you know this. But those are things that have been helping, and I've been trying to get as much sleep as I possibly can. And of course, trying to deal with, you know, mental health things, like deal with all the stressors in my life currently, because obviously stress, just in general, mental stress, all those things can affect the way that your body react. So I've been doing that. But there's a car pulling in behind me, so I am going to end this video here. If you've not already, hit that subscribe button. Definitely do it, because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. We are heading into some fun foodie content, and then we are going somewhere tropical, so you're not going to want to miss it. Yeah, see? And then they think I'm doing this, not that. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and yeah, I'll give you guys an update on how I'm feeling. I'm not sure when, but I will. Here or over on Instagram at TL Travel. So check that out. We got stuff going on here and stuff going on there, and no shortage of content for you all. So until I see you in my next video, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys. Now it's like the act of reaching forward. It's like the smallest things that just hurt me.